listen up. This ain't just a game, flip the switch. From player to pilot. Check the fuel, check the lights, run the list, get it right. No shortcuts in this cockpit from the left seat to the flight. It's a change in your intention, a professional obsession. Building habits in the sim for the real world progression. Aviate, navigate, communicate. That's the order, never deviate. Fly the plane first, through the thrill and the worst. Aviate, navigate, communicate. Gotta know your place in space. Keep the scan across the face of the instruments that guide you. Track your time and track your pace. Traffic, weather, fuel and heading in your mind. The dots connecting, situational awareness. That's the skill you're perfecting. Aviate, navigate, communicate. That's the order, never deviate. Fly the plane first, through the thrill and the worst. Aviate, navigate, communicate. When the pressure's on, remember PAVE. Pilot aircraft environment, the external way. Detect, estimate, choose your way to be a pilot who decides, not a pilot who just sees. The law of the sky, your fate. Fly the plane first, prove your thirst. Aviate, navigate, communicate. Dream it, build it, fly it, pilot savvy. Important note, while we showcase the power of flight simulation, our videos are not a substitute for proper flight of ground. Training safety is paramount. Always hire and face certified flight instructor to ensure your safety and the safety of others.